With AI technologies like DALL-E and ChatGPT bursting into the zeitgeist, it's easy to think that we've just seen a quantum leap in AI. But AI's evolution can be traced back to a number of technological, scientific, and philosophical breakthroughs taking place over several centuries. In this video, we'll be counting down 5 of AI's biggest breakthroughs. Diving in at number 5, we're going back to the 17th century for the light bulb moment. You may know the quote, "I think, therefore I am." This quote is from Rene Descartes in his book titled Discourse on the Method of Rightly Conducting One's Reason and of Seeking Truth in the Sciences. A ridiculously long title. Luckily, titles these days are much more succinct. In his book, Descartes says, even though such machines could do some things as well, or better, than humans, they would inevitably fail in others, which would reveal that they were acting not through understanding. This is the first known distinction between what we now know as narrow and general AI. Narrow AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that are specifically designed to perform a single task. General AI refers to AI systems with the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can. In the same book, Descartes also asked questions about AI that still boggles people today. Can a machine be human? Can it think like a human? Which segues us to number 4. In 1950, science pioneer Alan Turing described what we now know as the Turing test, a test for determining whether a machine can think like a human. The test involves evaluating a machine's capability to carry out a natural language conversation with a human judge. If the judge is unable to reliably distinguish the machine's response from those of a human, the machine is said to have passed the Turing test. Turing believed that a machine would pass his test by the end of the 20th century. His prediction was about 20 years premature. The generative AI chatbot, ChatGPT, is reportedly the first AI system to have passed the Turing test. Spoiler alert, we'll be talking about ChatGPT later. Before Alexa, Siri, and ChatGPT, there was Eliza. Eliza was the world's first chatbot wired by AI. Created in the 1960s at MIT, Eliza was designed to imitate a Rogerian therapist by rephrasing a patient's statements as questions and asking them back to the patient. Despite its relatively simple code, some users became emotionally attached to the program and forgot they were talking to a computer, making Eliza one of the first times the line between human and machine was blurred. By the 1990s, AI had been gaining publicity, but it needed a landmark event to really grab people's attention and put it on the map. This moment came in 1997, when AI got involved in the sexiest of all sporting competitions: chess. A geometric board, suggestively shaped pieces, men with giant intellects. Chess really did have it all. World chess champion Garry Kasparov sat down to face IBM's Deep Blue supercomputer in what has become one of the most famous chess matches of all time. Deep Blue was able to win by processing thousands of possible moves every second based on the data from earlier professional chess games. Or, as IBM put it, Deep Blue was playing the ghosts of the grandmaster's past. This win illustrated the rapid advancement of AI software to the rest of the world. And finally, the number 1 spot. Drum roll please. ChatGPT. For anyone who's been living under a rock for the last few months, ChatGPT is a generative AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It was released in November 2022 and took the world by storm, gaining 1 million users in just 5 days. But why is ChatGPT such a game changer? Well, because it's basically magic. Ask it a question to pretty much anything, and it gives you an intelligent answer. Want to fix the code you've just written? It'll do it. Want to know what can swim faster, a dog or a horse? Boom, answer. Need help writing a script for a video about 5 breakthroughs in AI? Here you go, a description for the Turing test and definitions for narrow and general AI. But don't take my word for it. Log on now and give it a go. You'll be amazed at what it can do. To learn more about ChatGPT, check out this video or visit our website for articles and podcasts on all things tech.